I'm aware that it would take lots of loss for me because that's what it means to be a true educator, activist, fighter for justice, and to change the world. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is June. So this video is sort of like a diary or a letter to my future self, and I feel like my future subscribers are going to be watching this video maybe a year or two later. Anyways, this is only my 12th video, I think, and I just hit 100 subscribers within like 37 days. I truly appreciate your support. So I thought this would be a good time for me to talk about where I'm going with this very YouTube channel. Well, does this even deserve a whole video by itself? Yes, I think it's very important for my existing subscribers to know what this channel is really about, so you can decide whether you want to stick around and join my journey. And my future subscribers too, of course. Basically, I'm making this video to not piss anyone off. 1 second, I'm editing right now and I have to give you a warning. I'm about to be loud and fast. There's gonna be lots of yelling in this video. I promise that's not what this channel is about. I just got too excited this time. I hope you guys don't mind it. Alright, let's get back to the video. So, I've been thinking about this for a hot minute. Which direction am I going? Where do I stand? Am I a food channel or a vegan activist? Well, I've been passionate about food and cooking, obviously. But I started this channel because I wanted to change the world. To be specific, inspiring and encouraging the public to choose more ethical, responsible, informed, and conscious decisions. So many of the issues we're causing in this world are revolved around the global food system. I never thought of calling myself an activist, but rather an educator, because I'll be sharing educational content and discussions on ethics, the environment, and human issues. And I see my cooking or recipe videos as part of the education. Like I said, I was always passionate about cooking, even before I turned vegan. But when I turned vegan, I opened up the door and discovered the joy of cooking and eating delicious foods. So I thought, if I taught how amazing plant foods are, I could encourage more and more people to go vegan or plant-based. But obviously, so many people do that here on YouTube and other social media. And I think what's more important is the why. The reasons why we need to change as individuals and humanity as a species. It includes ethics, understanding and debunking ethical dilemmas, hypocrisies, and oxymorons. And one thing I had decided to do long before I got this camera was to be 100% real and honest. So in my cooking videos, I'll strive to be as entertaining as possible, but in my educational video and discussions, I'll be sharing very honest comments, revealing the facts about the animal agriculture industry, our societies, cultures, our attitudes, hypocrisies, and awareness. And it will get controversial depending on who I talk to or who you are. But my intention is to never attack or offend anyone with different values from mine, but rather educate them. What I want to do is build an inclusive and compassionate community where people can learn. And for the most part, I'm gonna be talking and showing you guys peer-reviewed studies, data, and stats and things like that. And I decided that sometimes I will share photos or footage from animal farming or the livestock industry in general, because I think truth speaks. So I had two choices. One, I could just play safe and teach like a school teacher. Or two, I could take one step further and get called a militant vegan or sometimes even a terrorist and tell the truth. Again, I'm only saying this because I don't want to upset my supporters. I know some of you wouldn't be happy with what I share, but that's okay. I decided to not hold myself back because of the fear of turning my supporters away. I've thought a lot, and I've definitely developed the activist mindset. I'm aware that it would take lots of loss for me because that's what it means to be a true educator, activist, fighter for justice, and to change the world. I've wanted to do this for a long time, and I'm finally on this amazing platform called YouTube. And I took the U part and decided that this is where I can just be myself and speak up about the things I truly care about, amplify my message, and show the world what I have to offer. And because of climate change, I decided that I have to act, take action, and be active. I'm an animal rights, climate and environmental activist, and a vegan, which fundamentally means someone ethical and compassionate. It has nothing to do with food or animals. I seek to make a vegan world for humans and non-human animals, and Earth, our home, so our future generations will have a planet to live on. So that was what I wanted you guys to know, and yeah, I made this video for myself too. I'll keep sharing easy, simple, and delicious vegan recipes and various educational content and discussions on ethics, the environment, and human issues. And I will be as entertaining and informational as well as real and honest as possible. So if you find what I do valuable and want to support me and want to be supported by me, welcome to June Goto Vegan. Alright, as promised, My next educational video will be the 12 top absolute reasons to be vegan. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.